I love tech. Absolutely love it. The using of Zoom, post pandemic, Google Meets, absolutely amazing. But if you're not using this wonderful tool called Loom, which I think I've spoken about in the past, it literally changed how we run our agency. A great example of this is instead of having a call to go over a report, or instead of having a call to explain something, all you do is you press your little button on your computer and you record a screen recording where you can put your camera on if you want, you've got your microphone, and you can explain something in detail. Not only is this better than a meeting because it saves time, but also whoever or whatever you're explaining to, the person that you sent it to can just replay it, or they can send it over to their designer, they can send it over to their developer. It's a very easy way to explain something without the use of jumping on a call, because it takes time, right? It takes time to schedule something, and if someone doesn't turn up, then you have to reschedule it, then you have to send the invite, you have the call, you talk about the weather, you talk about your kids, you talk about your dog, you talk about everything, and you get on to talking about the actual topic. And yeah, I'm not saying, don't ever jump on a call or don't ever jump on a meeting, but it's a really precise and quick way to record something or even go into detail about something. At the moment, we're building a really cool piece of tech, and I've been recording videos of showing the team how I want things to work. And rather than jumping on a call, which would take half an hour, 45 minutes to explain it, if I record a Loom and I can show everything that I want to show in like 2 minutes, it saved everyone time. They can replay it. They can send it over to our designer, they can send it over to the UX person, and it's just a super easy way of showcasing some information. Not only that, but it helps the overall system approach of the business. Another real life case study of where we use Looms, when we send over our SEO reports, we do a video recording of the report explaining what each element is. The clients can then review it again, and if they have questions over that report, then they can jump on a call and schedule it with their account manager. The reason being, what we were finding is when we would send a report, some of the things that we say, yes, we try and make it as normal as possible, but some things are technical. Some clients might question why this has gone up or that's gone down, or the click-through rate's gone up or it's gone down, or the clicks has gone. So there's loads of different things within that report. And we were sending reports and some clients weren't even opening them. And if we can record a little video, maybe 2 minutes long, that goes over exactly what the report is, some key elements, some key takeaways, maybe a little bit of follow-up things on there, then they can book a call, and when they join that call will be shorter because they know what they're going to be talking about. They've already looked at the report and they have their questions ready. So if you're not using this within your business, within your agency, within anything, it is an absolute fantastic way to utilize a piece of technology to help you save time. It saves the amount of times you go on meetings, but also it's really good because they've introduced so many tools recently where it does AI summaries. You can chop and change bits as well. So if you've got 2 Loom videos and you want to merge them into one, when you're recording, you can restart. You can just record your screen. You can take screenshots with it as well and send links to screenshots. I know there are softwares that you can do that already, but it is so cheap. It's like $5 or $10 per month per user. There is a free account where you can record, I think it's up to a minute or 2 minutes. Anything over that, then you never have to pay for, but it's really good. Great for teams as well. You can share libraries as well. So for example, when we're building out websites, we can put all Looms in for one client in one particular folder, share that with the team, share that with the client for review. Again, another great way of doing it. A really good user case is if a client has a 13-inch MacBook and we are building a website, we will record videos on larger screens to show the clients what it would look like on those bigger screens, because not everyone is going to have access to one of those screens. So it's another great way to utilize an awesome piece of tech. So don't Zoom, Loom. But of course, as I said earlier, you do need that element of human connection. So don't do this for like every meeting you do, but for things where you jumping on a call to explain something, send a Loom, sends everyone a good amount of time. You can also change the speed of Looms as well. I am strange and often watch and listen to Looms on like 2 times the speed because it is a really good way of jumping in there and listening to it super quick. And yeah, there you go. What is not to love? Highly recommend it. So remember, Loom, don't Zoom. stay awesome, stay safe, but most importantly, stay nerdy.